Hey guys, Raph from Stewart's Auto Garage, and today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the interior of a vehicle. So let's get straight into it, guys. First step for a good interior deep clean is an extraction. So this is Ray extracting the seats after he has treated them all. So look at it go. And now he's working on the back chairs. It's not too bad, but we always like to go deep on them just in case there is some stains here and there. Alright, meanwhile as Ray's extracting, I'm over here scrubbing all the panels, getting it ready for S&G. So APC, scrub, and steam. Now moving up to the front, the usual, spray it, scrub it, steam it. Now who doesn't love some point of view action? So wiping it down, here's the other side, the passenger side. The same thing I've been doing to the driver. Now the most important and the most dirty, the steering wheel. Make sure you do the same thing, spray it, scrub it, and steam it. Now after all the scrubbing and steaming, it's time to apply your S&G just to make it shiny, all the door panels and all the vinyl inside. don't forget to make sure you brush all the cracks and crevices just to make sure everything lays down all good. And here's some after results once you're done with the S&G on the whole interior. And don't forget to throw in some fans to help dry the seats. And here's some after shots of the interior. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, and that's how you get it done. So if you guys want to book an appointment, give us a call at 671-788-2748.